You see the bushes on my left side, dense bush, and I'll try to find some insect in this bush this morning, but there's no ambient light at all. I'll have to use flash definitely. Let me find some subject. Welcome to Dr. Jalil Photography. This is a cloudy morning. I could not find any insect, but fortunately I found one mushroom over here, and I'll be taking some picture of this mushroom, and I'll show you how I take these pictures. I have cleared the area. There were plenty of rotten leaves around here, and I put my camera. Let me show you my camera and gears. I have Sony A7riii. There's a small tripod over here. So I put this camera just in front of the mushroom on this tripod. I'm using Laowa 90mm 2x macro lens for this photography, and a Godox flash, Godox V350 flash over here. And you can see this flash is fitted with a micro radiant diffuser which I made myself. I'll give the link making process of this radiant diffuser down in the description. And I have a torch light over here. You can see I'll be using this torch light to illuminate the mushroom. Let me take some test shot first. Let me switch on the camera, and I'm watching through this monitor. Let me switch on this light for the radiant diffuser. Let me take some test shot without torch light. I'm focusing with the focus picking. Take several shots. Let me check. You see, these are the nice pictures. I'll have to take few more test shots. I'll be taking some pictures, putting this light illuminating from the bottom. I'm putting the light. I'm changing the direction of light. Now I'm going to change the angle of the camera a little bit because I cannot change the angle of the subject. So I'm changing the angle of the camera. Putting light. I'm focusing with the focus picking because I cannot use the viewfinder. I'll be taking several shots. I'll take some pictures with the burst mode so that I can find the right focus. Changing the angle again. Now I'll take some pictures, putting this torchlight on the top, and let me see how the pictures come out with the light from the top in the different close directions. Let me check. I'll take few more snapshots of this mushroom and with some green leaves on the back. So I'll have a different background of this mushroom with some little bit of greenish background rather than having a color of the soil. So let me take some pictures. As usual, I'm putting the light from below. Let me check with the green background. You can see a little bit of greenish background at the back of the mushroom. I'll be going home, take these pictures in Lightroom. I'll show the pictures at the end of the video. I would like to share my experience of my macro photography with all of you. And if you like my techniques, if you like macro photography, please do subscribe my channel, press the bell icon, stay connected. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye bye.